Come test drive the 2012 S60. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 5-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, power sunroof. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, heated seats, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, side airbag system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.